Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's all free guys, this helps YouTube know you like this kind of content and it helps us get our YouTube channel noticed, so if you can, please do. So you can see here we've got this beautiful BMW estate car, sort of wagon. So we've got this wagon, it's done a bit of knocking at the front, so a bit of knocking there. There's a bit of plate in this anti-roll link. So, and it must be pretty bad because the spring's pushing down on it, so it must be pretty bad there. So, and the bushes are all knackered as well. So, you see up there, up to that one there, that bush is actually completely split in there. So, I'm not sure if that's what that is. It's maybe some bad bush leak for the turbo. So, we'll get these arms changed on this wagon. Yeah, these all changed up for new Delphis, wee equivalents. So I'll get this drop light changed as well. Spaniels on here. Top there. So that's one nut off, 15mm. I've used a wee ratchet spar there. So this family, I have already given it a bit of Fortron, bit of Ultra WD lube, always good. So, So we're going to get a new Delphi part now. So they've obviously sided these as well. As you can see, there's two different part numbers there. So one's obviously for the drivers, one for the passengers. So we'll match them up. See that there? Both going the same way. So, first time, hit the box, not bad. Yeah, so normally what happens is 15 when it comes off, then you get your aftermarket part and the 17s. So, but these are the same, they look identical to what's going on. So, kind of the Delphi technologies to start with. ramp down, can't reach. So that's how we like all change now. So, right, so now what's the pressure? Hey, so that was a fight. That was a fight. In order to get these 330Ds out with the 4-wheel drive, you need to move your drive shaft, so don't need it right out, but there you go, you get that in there now. So yeah, that into there, that into there, bish bash bosh, new links on it. Aye, happy days there, happy days.